Guys, with lots of market manipulation happening right now in the crypto market space, people are wondering, is Dogecoin headed up again? Is it headed down? That's what we're going to be discussing in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Weeble link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, based on the stock market, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, we are seeing some very green days, which tells us that the market manipulation, the FUD, the fake news that these whales are putting out is specifically targeted towards cryptocurrencies. And of course they're doing this because the whales know that the cryptocurrency market is one of the best ways to make a lot of money in a short period of time in today's market. And they're willing to do whatever it takes to get the price back down so they can buy in again. And guys, on those amazing entry points that they make for us because of that market manipulation causing the smaller retailer with paper hands to sell out, that allows you and I to also get in at a great entry point when I see it on the charts form. Guys, some huge news. An article just came out titled, Bitcoin price to hit 100K just by 2022. Crypto experts out there, including myself, agree that when Bitcoin hits 100K by the end of the year, it would also exponentially boost Ether's price. With Bitcoin running the market and a lot of the other cryptocurrencies following up along with it, guys, they're starting to follow Ethereum now as well. Crypto experts are saying that that dip that we saw on Tuesday was actually a false dip, and that we are still on track for our 100K price point for Bitcoin just by the end of this year. And I personally believe that closer to 120K is really what we should expect by early 2022. Guys, I personally believe that that flash crash that we saw on Tuesday was solely caused by the whales getting together, the top, the elite, the billionaires, saying, hey, guys, we're going to buy at this time and we're going to sell at this time. They do this so that they can all sell very quickly at the same time to rake in their profits. Guys, they do this every once in a while, but this is very good. This is very healthy. This brings the price down, which allows them to get back in at the entry point that they want to, and then allows the new smaller retailer investor into getting in at a very low price as well. So guys, you want to be looking out for this. You want to have some cash on the side. Be ready to buy these dips. Get greedy when these dips happen. Don't get greedy on the uptrend, guys. It could very well be too late by then. You want to do the opposite of what your emotions tell you to do. You want to swim with the whales, and that's what I teach you guys to do on my Patreon. Guys, when the China FUD came out, literally just a reiteration of their rules from the year before, literally changing nothing. Guys, when that came out, we saw another false dip. And sure enough, we went right back above 4,000 for Ethereum, above 50,000 for Bitcoin. Guys, cryptos aren't dead. They're not going anywhere. They're just now getting started. We're still in our infancy stages of crypto, still easily less than half the price of their actual worth. So it's still now a great time to get in, and very well could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Guys, these dips that we're seeing are just allowing the bull run to continue. Guys, we can't just go straight up. We can't just go straight down. For every peak, we have to have a dip, and for every dip, we have to have a peak. So get ready. Buy at these times so that you can be positioned very well for the peak that we're going to see here very soon. Guys, wait till a lot of the retailer investors get back in. in, when they get greedy, when they start to have FOMO on the uptrend and they want to get in, they're going to be buying, and they're going to be buying at a very high volume. Guys, that's not when you want to buy. On the uptrend is literally when you shouldn't be buying, you should be getting greedy at these times. However, when they do get in, once again, by the masses, just like they did for the Elon Musk SNL event. Guys, this is going to happen very soon, and it's going to cause the prices to skyrocket. And historically, October, November is when they start getting in by the masses. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, towards the end of the year, people are going to start to get their bonuses. They're going to start to have money saved up, and they're going to start to realize that they need to start investing it. Guys, cryptos are one of the best investments you could possibly make. Literally a hedge against inflation. So they're going to be pouring money in, millions and billions of dollars, and it's going to cause the overall cryptocurrency market to have a lot more money. And I expect it to go from 2 trillion to 2.5 trillion just by the end of this year. And guys, when we start to see Bitcoin around 100,000 just around the end of this year, I'm expecting Dogecoin to easily be above $1. Guys, the Dogecoin to Ethereum Bridge is still happening. The Dogecoin developers are still working with Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, behind the scenes to create this, to allow Dogecoin to become a smart contracts platform and allow other cryptos to work on its network. Guys, this is going to be huge. For it to be literally competing with Ethereum and become one of the top cryptos out there, this is huge, and this will inevitably cause the price of Dogecoin to skyrocket. Guys, the supply is not limited yet, so expect when they do make the supply limited and they start to burn Dogecoins, we could literally see Dogecoin's price skyrocket. And I conjecture Dogecoin will be at $1.60 just by early 2022. Guys, on September 14th, there is going to be a release of a consumer price index, which will give us a measurement of inflation, which will inevitably help push the prices of cryptocurrencies sky high. And I believe that this will be our second leg up on our bull run. Guys, a lot of these big whales out there are taking their money off of the Ethereum charts and putting it into cold storage. Guys, what is this? This is them betting that it will continue to go up in value. And they're basically saying they're not doing anything with it. They're keeping it in Ethereum and they're not going to take it out. Guys, most of the people that own cryptos are whales, and we're seeing the balance on the exchanges for Bitcoin dropping, which means the whales are buying up most of it, a little over 70%. And this is a very bullish sign because, guys, they have confidence and they know the future of crypto, especially Bitcoin, more than anyone. Guys, on the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts right now, we're seeing a reverse head and shoulders form. Guys, this is a very bullish sign. We generally have a breakout just thereafter. We normally break out to the upside, however, we could break out to the down. So this is something to be expected. Guys, I'm expecting just within the next couple of weeks for Ethereum to be back up near 4,000, for Bitcoin to be back up near 50,000. And guys, when this happens, I'm expecting Dogecoin to be in the mid-30s. So guys, get ready for that. Dogecoin historically outperforms a lot of the other top cryptos. So I personally like to diversify. I like to have my money in Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and some of the top ones that I call out on my Patreon. And guys, when we take a look at the charts for Dogecoin, we see that after this bullish flag and pennant, we traded sideways for a while. We had our dips, we had our peaks, and then when we came down here, guys, which is one of the best dips to buy on, which we are in right now, we see that we had a bottom here where we hit our level of resistance. We went up a bit, we came down again, had a double bottom, had a triple bottom, and guys, now we're breaking out to the upside. We're getting our green candlesticks. We're headed up from here. Guys, so you want to be ready. Not ready to sell, but however, when we reach our peak, sure, you can sell if you've got money in Doge, but right after that, we're going to have another dip, so you're going to want to buy in again. Have some cash on the side. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link at the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.